Today morning prime news highlight from SNH from Madrid, Japan. Fitur 2026, promoting Japan's tourism appeal to the international market. Japan's growing presence in the international tourism market and its close relationship with Spain will be demonstrated at the International Tourism Fair, FITUR 2026, held at IFEMA Madrid from 21 to the 25th of January. According to the Japan National Tourism Organization, JNTO, the number of Spanish visitors to Japan reached approximately 182,300 in 2024, marking a 57.3% increase compared to 2023. A significant turning point was the launch of Iberia Airlines Direct Madrid-Tokyo service, 3 weekly flights, in October 2023. Meanwhile, the Spanish tourism promotion agency, TISPANA, announced that Spain welcomed over 410,000 Japanese tourists in 2024. This represents a 32.1% increase year-on-year, with total spending reaching €1.164 billion, a 48% rise compared to 2023. The Japanese market stands out for its exceptionally high daily travel expenditure, ranking among the top markets globally. According to Spain's National Statistics Institute, the number of Japanese visitors increased by a further 8% in the second quarter of 2025. Moreover, these awareness metrics reflect Spain's sustained rise in popularity within Japan. A YouGov survey indicates Spain ranked third in consideration for visiting and second in travel intention for 2025, showing significant growth compared to 2024. Furthermore, satisfaction among travelers who actually visited Spain rose from 58.5% to 68.3%. Against this backdrop, FITUR 2026 saw the largest ever Japanese delegation participate. Alongside the official representatives from the Japan National Tourism Organization and the Tokyo Metropolitan Government, attendees included the Tokyo Convention and Visitors Bureau, TCVB, the JTB Group's Global DMC Network, All Nippon Airways, ANA, Japan Experience, Himeji Tourism Convention Bureau, Junior Tokai Hotels, JTB Global Marketing and Travel, Miki Tourist X HIS, Fujita Kanko, WHG Hotels, Skyhop Bus Tokyo, DMC Japan by KNT, and numerous operators. Furthermore, FITUR 2026 is expected to see participation from numerous leading Spanish agents specializing in the Japanese market. This business growth reflects the vitality of Japan's tourism market, which recorded a record high of 36.8 million international visitors in 2024, a 47.1% increase year-on-year. Consequently, FITUR